Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming that the deadbolt and door meet the lock specs. That prevents misalignment later. Once done, remove the existing thumb turn and latch and set aside screws. Install fresh batteries into the smart lock module so you avoid interruptions during pairing. Make sure your phone has the vendor app installed and that your router broadcasts on 4 GHz. Many locks won't use 5 GHz. These preparation steps save repeated disassembly and keep the rest of the setup smooth. Now focus on the mechanical core. Insert the latch into the door edge and tighten the screws while keeping the faceplate flush. Insert the exterior unit, feed the tailpiece through the latch, and hold it steady while you align the interior mounting plate. Once aligned, finger tighten all mounting screws to keep parts movable, then fully tighten in a crisscross pattern so the bolt moves freely. Make sure the deadbolt is centered in the strike plate holes. If binding occurs, adjust the strike plate before proceeding to electronics. You'll finish by powering the unit on and following the app step-by-step pairing flow. Create an account if needed and add the device using its serial or QR code. Once paired, run the calibration routine so the motor learns your door's travel. Then test locking and unlocking manually and via the app at least 5 times to confirm reliability. If issues arise, check battery voltage, ensure 4 GHz Wi-Fi reach, reseat the tailpiece, or perform a factory reset as the key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.